Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your birthday in Roblox for users who are under the age of 13. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First step is to reach out to Roblox support. To do this, open up Chrome, search for Roblox, click on discover. Now log into your account guys. After logging your account, you just need to click on the settings gear icon and select help. Click on Roblox account. I need help with my account. Click on it. Now you just need to scroll down guys. Click on how do I change my age. Now you need to scroll down. Click on need more help. You need to submit the request option. Explain the situation over here guys, saying that you need to update your birth date and provide your account details, and Roblox support will guide you through the process and assist in making the necessary changes guys. If you are under 13, Roblox take extra precautions to ensure your safety. Roblox support to receive and approve your request. This process may take some time, so be patient. You will be receive the notification via email about the process of your request guys. After receiving approved, you can change to your current age over here guys. You just need to click on gear icon over here and select settings. Now you can change your current age over here, and after changing it you just need to verify it guys. Click on verify my age. You may need to verify in your mobile guys. To confirm it, use your mobile or prepare a valid ID, and after doing it your age will be changed guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.